Hi, my name is Iman. Welcome to my channel. We're going to be doing what's for dinner, planning for dinner, grocery hauls, as well as planning. And sometimes we might be doing a day in the life. So please, if you like what you see, like and subscribe and share with your friends. Hi and welcome back. Today we are making baked ranch chicken thighs, and we're also making French soup rice baked in the oven. I wanted to let you guys know that I've been off during the summertime. However, once I return back to work, I don't know that I'll be posting every single night. So what I may do is record all of my meals and then post them on Friday. And sometimes in those postings, I will show the cooking part of the recipes. All right. In order to prep the chicken, you've got to place it on some foil, spray it so that it doesn't stick, and to season it, I'm just seasoning it right now with salt and pepper. I'll be seasoning both sides of it. All right. Let me open this up a little bit. All right. Season a little more. Now, normally this recipe called for chicken thighs with the skin on it, but I always buy boneless, skinless chicken thighs. It still has fat on there, but that's what the recipe called for, but I'm not doing that. I'm just cooking it this way. And it'll be delicious either way. Okay, so this is going to go into an oven. It is a 400-degree oven for 25 minutes. Once this comes out, I'll show you there's a sauce that I'm going to make, and I'll pour the sauce on it and let the chicken cook until it's 165 degrees internally. Okay, so while the chicken is cooking, since the chicken has to cook for 25 minutes, this rice dish has to cook for a total of 1 hour. However, you have to cook it for 30 minutes and then uncover it. So what you do is you take 1 cup of uncooked rice, and I greased this pan already. Then you pour in 1 can of French onion soup. Then you add 1 can of beef consomme. If you can't find beef consomme, beef broth is just as well. And then what you do is you add a whole stick of butter. You cut up the butter in pieces, and you add a whole stick of butter. I mean, this is decadent. To the top of the dish. You cover it with aluminum foil. You bake it for 30 minutes. And then after 30 minutes, we will uncover it and bake it for another 30 minutes. All right, let's put it in the oven. Okay, I'll set my timer for 30 minutes and then I'll get right back to you. All right, what we're going to do is, while the chicken is cooking, I'm going to make the sauce that's going to go on top of it. And so it calls for 1 clove of garlic. 1 clove of garlic is equal to ½ a teaspoon. So we'll add our garlic. And then it calls for a 1 ounce packet of ranch seasoning. I have this big container. So 1 packet or 1 ounce is equal to 3 tablespoons of this. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And then we need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'll mix these together. And then once the chicken comes out, I will add this to the chicken, then we'll cook the chicken just a little bit longer. Oh, it's pasty. Just keep mixing it until it... Oh, this is good because then it'll stick to the chicken real nice. Maybe I should have used a fork. So, suggestion, do not use one of these, a whisk. Use a fork when you're going to mix it together. Okay, and that's it. All right, the chicken has been cooking for about 25 minutes. So I'm going to pat some of this mixture on top of it. I just want to make sure I have enough for all of it. And then I'll add more as I need to. Oh. Kids are watching, so I can't say what I want to say. Alrighty. This is going to be so good. That one has a lot on it. Let me see if I can do it with this. This one's good. Okay, let me add some more on this one. And this will bake down into the chicken. Okay, so this is going to cook for another, I think, another half hour. Let me put this back in the oven. Okay, and then what we need to do is take the rice out, uncover it. Ooh, this smells like French onion soup. Oh my gosh, you guys. This smells so good. I cannot wait to taste this. Okay, so we put it back in the oven for another 30 minutes. Uncovered. The rice and the chicken will be done at the exact same time. Excuse me, cameraman. Oh my God, it smells good. All right, these are done. So I'm pulling them out. The rice. The rice looks like it's done too. Oh my gosh, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna taste this for a second. Hold on. Oh my God, yeah. The rice is done too. Excuse me. Baked ranch chicken thighs and French onion soup rice. That's what's for dinner. And let me tell you, it smells delicious. Both of them.